Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai Accent. This car have a problem. Here you can see power steering hard and then power steering stuck. Also PRNDA not working, steering light on. If I check with my diagnosis tool, there is no communication. That's the problem. But start car. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, and where is the issue actually. Okay, so this is actually ECM problem, engine computer. I remove engine ECM and then I'll show you where is the fault, how you can solve it. Okay, here you can see I remove ECM. Okay, before I think ECM repair. Here you can see before repair someone ECM. Now I remove ECM. So what happened actually? Why this power steering lost communication, engine computer lost communication? What is the reason actually? This is very easy thing and complicated. Sometimes it's somewhere short, but sometimes many car have same problem. For here you can see ECM pins, when its temperature so high, that time it's sometimes lose connection inside. Okay, so if you resolve it all those wire and then it will work perfectly. Many car I do, so in this car also I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so in this car have this problem, but many car have some of car have other problem. Like one car I got before fault, there is a one main ground wire loose connection, so it's like this. But in this car that ground wire and everything is fine, but problem is here. Okay, so now I'll show you. I already repair it and fix it ECM. It's battery wire. Now I'll show you. Here you can see now P is coming, and when I start car, RPM and everything also working. See, before not working, power steering light gone and steering see smooth. So great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See, perfect.